Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, bringing another vibes on your table. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to properly cornrow all back. Yes, I call this all back because this is popularly known in Nigeria as all back. Let me know what this is called in your own country, what this particular style of hair is called in your own country. In Nigeria, is popularly called all back. So if you want to learn how you can actually do this very well, you need to make sure that your linings are in place, and you need to see how I am exchanging my hand from left to right and from right to left at the same time. So you also need to watch this video carefully. I also did a very detailed tutorial on how you can cut your all back, or weave your all back, or cornrow your all back from the middle part to the back part. Okay, so yeah, if you've not subscribed and you've watched to this point of this video, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share for every other person to get this good news. Just watch this video detailedly from beginning to the end. Trust me, you are going to be happy that you are watching this video. So with no further ado, let me say bye for now and allow you guys enjoy this beautiful how to cornrow, weave all back with me. I love you guys. Mwah. we're done. We are done, and this is our